To work the sheaf stitch, make a set of 3 straight stitches. These stitches can be of various lengths. I have kept them same. Now come out from below the middle stitch, pass the needle out on the right side, go over the set of the 3 stitches, pass under the left side to go back in through the center. So basically we are making a bundle of 3 straight stitches that looks like a sheaf. You can make more bundles like this either in a straight row or just scatter them around to create textures. This is a highly decorative stitch. Use it on borders by placing them in a row. Try variations using stitches of different lengths. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by liking, sharing, or commenting. You can learn more stitches from my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check the description to find links to my ebook store and my Patreon account where you can have access to various patterns. And of course, it'll be a way for you to support me. Thank you so much for watching.